Les and Jane Hall, a boring retirement was never going to fly. For over 30 years, the Halls were employed by Atlanta Community Schools in Michigan, Les as a high school principal and Jane as an elementary teacher. Both retired in the late 90s, and since leaving public school employment, the couple has found no shortage of ways to keep busy. Every winter since the early 2000s, Les and Jane migrate south to Texas, volunteering for state parks as bird guides, sharing their birding experiences with other hobbyists and travelers. And while birding is their primary objective in the Texas parks, the real fun comes from the friends they make along the way.
It's just the relationships that we have built. We have people that will come back now every year. So I tell Les, it's just like we have two homes. We're going back home down there because these friends of ours that we've made from all over come back. And so it's just like we are going home again.
In the spring, the Halls find their way back to their home in Atlanta, Michigan, but not to kick back and relax. Jane helps with her local gardening club, growing flowers and other plants for the planters in downtown Atlanta. She also enjoys knitting and making greeting cards. And Les, aside from hunting, fishing, and pastoring a local church, spends his time in his repurposing shop east of Kansas.
So I've got an old barn over here that's got a bunch of stuff in it, and one half of my garage and the upstairs of my garage is full of old furniture and boxes and harnesses and just stuff. And every day I go out there and I look around, and I'm sort of ADHD a little bit because I'll have 3 or 4 projects going at the same time. But the stuff out there talks to me. I hear voices. That's from being a principal. And I'll pick up something and I'll look at it and say, oh, that'd make a great cupboard. Well, it's not a cupboard, but I can make it into a cupboard with some of the other pieces I have. So that's how it works.
Having so many irons in the fire isn't for everyone, but for Les and Jane, it's the key to finding fulfillment in their retirement.
But find something that you like to do or want to do, and then get yourself versed in that so you know how to do it when you have the time to.
You need to associate with other people and have plans for when you retire, something to do. We really, really enjoy that, and I think that mentally and socially, you can't do better than that.